Friends, I am Sue. This time we talk about probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics and prebiotics are two different substances and play different roles in our health and wellness. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria, whereas prebiotics is foods feeding these bacteria. Is prebiotics the same as probiotics? No, they are not the same. Prebiotics are foods that feed probiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible food components that selectively stimulate the growth or activity of desirable microorganisms. Prebiotics are food components of non-digestible fibers, such as inulin, oligosaccharides, and polydextrose, found in many plant-based foods. Prebiotics are called good bacteria promoters. Prebiotics are found naturally in many vegetables, fruits, and whole grain foods. For example, asparagus, garlic, leek, and onions are excellent prebiotic sources. Prebiotics are found naturally in many vegetables, fruits, and whole grain foods. For example, asparagus, garlic, leek, and onions are excellent prebiotic sources. Both prebiotics and probiotics are essential for human health and wellness. Probiotics help stimulate the growth or repopulation of microbes in our gastrointestinal tracts. It is estimated that human intestines are home to trillions of friendly microorganisms, primarily bacteria and other microbes such as yeast. Amazingly, the number of microorganisms in human intestines is at least as much as the number of human cells. Probiotics from foods promote gastrointestinal health and may help maintain a barrier against unhealthy microorganisms and inhibit their growth. Prebiotics feed probiotics and help keep a healthy balance of probiotics in our gastrointestinal tracts.